All right, all my marketers out there, anybody that's just running an ad out there, there's just one problem that I see everybody is kind of just making. Well, not everybody, the unsuccessful people with ads making. And it's just this one secret that you guys have to watch this video so that you can know and make sure you're not making the secret so you can actually make your advertisements profitable. Now, this comes along with Google ads, comes along with Facebook ads, comes along with native ads, push notifications, any type of LinkedIn ads, TikTok ads, any type of ads that you are running, this video correlates to. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I won't make it too long because this could be one of the most important videos you watch. And by the way, guys, if you like anything in this video, any point in this video you want, if you like it, always like down below, subscribe to help that algorithm. And guys, if you have any questions, I'm always there for you guys. I'm answering your questions. So comment down below. That one secret, guys, that everybody screws up, guys. That one secret. Want to know what it is? It's simple. Follow up. Everybody runs these ads. They run, like, let's say, for example, let's talk about Facebook. Let's say people running ads to Facebook. They run ads to a messenger campaign. They get an as a lead. They start a conversation with the person and then they drop. The reason being is because you're not following up with them. You don't have proper systems in place to automatically follow up with them. I'll give you another example. Let's say you're doing a lead form. I was working with this person that I was consulting this person that was doing lead form ads, and they were performing very well. Their cost per lead was like $1 or something. They're very cheap, as I'm trying to say. Before you can even rule out the fact that it's just shitty leads, you got to make sure you follow up with them. So what I'm trying to say is the main thing that they were doing incorrectly is I pointed out instantly is that they weren't following up. So when that lead came in, that moment of, you need to follow up with them. You need to call them up. Okay. And it's so important. This is what makes this is what really makes or breaks a lot of marketing agencies is like the follow up, right? Because if they don't follow up with these people within the first like couple of minutes, the longer it takes, that lead just that quality of that lead just decreases exponentially. And another big tip that I found that really is important that most people kind of like don't even think about is when you call these people up for the first time, they don't answer. They give up. They go to the next one. Biggest thing that I tell everybody I'm working with is you get a lead coming in. Well, what I usually do with my CRM, if you guys want the CRM, just click the link down below. I'll set it up for you. Biggest thing is when the lead comes in, we have them text directly to your phone, or it goes as a notification to the Go High Level app. You're gonna get, excuse me. You're gonna receive their name, you're gonna receive their phone number, and receive their email, maybe some notes down below about them. But concept is you receive their phone number as soon as it comes in. All you have to do is click that, call them up, hop on the phone with them. They don't answer. What I tell everybody that everybody misses is that they need to call them up instantly, and they need to call them up again. All right. Now, I think this is more important than calling them up within the first 5 minutes. It's calling them up twice. The reason being is because people are constantly receiving so much spam calls. Oh my gosh, don't even get me started about my car insurance, all of those scams and shit. Me personally, I might receive 3 spam calls a day. I block one and then they come back as a new phone number. Spam is crazy. I'm sure you know. You probably got one of those calls saying your car insurance is expired or you owe X amount of money because you have this fine for stealing a baby kangaroo from the zoo the other day. You just got to pay that fine because like baby kangaroo. Or maybe you received a call saying, Blade, you got to put that penguin back in Alaska. You'll receive a fine if you don't pay this fine within 10 minutes right now. You receive a fine of $1,000. What's your social security number? I'm not joking, guys. I'm crazy. All right. What I'm trying to say is that people receive a lot of spam. All right. So what you need to do is as soon as you get that lead in, obviously call them up. I mean, that's kind of a no-brainer, but you need to call them up twice. Okay. The first time, most people are like, it's a random number that I don't know. I'm gonna decline. But if you call them up twice, then you're like, oh, this number came up right away again. This has got to be important. I'm gonna answer this, and then hop on the phone with you. And if they don't answer at all after those, what you need to do, you need the proper systems in place to be able to put them into another campaign that follows up with them. So what you want to do is, what I typically do is I make sure we leave voicemails. All right. I have a script right now, right next to me. I mean, I memorize it when I'm doing things, but I have a script. I just received a spam call. Automatically blocked. But what I'm trying to say is, I have a script over here. That's actually funny. But I usually have, you set up a script over here with just a voicemail. I mean, memorize whatever you want to do, but just have a script that it's, you give a voicemail to everybody and then follow up with the text. And then obviously put them on some nurture campaigns until they answer the phone or something like that. What I'm trying to say is, you need to follow up these people. And these voicemails, by the way, aren't that difficult. You got to get straight to the point. Hey, let's say this is for somebody filled out a credit repair lead ad. Hey, I just saw you filled out a form on Facebook regarding getting some help boosting your credit. I always throw in like a little offer out there. It's Blaine from X and X Credit Repair Company. We fix credit in 30 days, guaranteed your money back. If you're still interested in fixing your credit, give me a call back on this number, 201 blah 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 blah, and then repeat that number again. Thank you and have a great day. I always try to repeat that number twice. And the most important parts about this voicemail is immediately show your intent. All right, show a big offer. Like, you have to show the offer, guys. You have to show. I mean, sure, you have to show where it came from first. You got to have an offer that's crazy that they had to be stupid not to take up on. So you got to show where they came from. Show that you're not just spam. All right, show that offer, some sort of guarantee that you do like the fastest credit repair or whatever you're doing, whatever you guys are offering, doesn't matter. And then say the phone number twice. Say your phone number twice. You say it slow. All right, it has to be comprehensible. All right, I know you guys are rushing through these leads like crazy, but make sure you gotta be able to understand these. I'm trying to say. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I needed to get this video out to you because this is so important, guys. It's like one of the biggest secrets that I see people kind of like screwing up with ads. All right, it's just follow up. Make sure you follow up. What we even do a lot of times when we go to the extent is if somebody's not able to follow up, we send them further ads. You know, there's so many forms of follow-ups. I mean, I can brainstorm 1,000 different ways of following up. I have plenty of videos on retargeting campaigns as well. All right, we got text messages, we got emails, we have voicemails, we got native ads to follow people. We got Google, we got Facebook retargeting. All right, those are just a handful. I just think of right at the top of my head. But guys, there's plenty of follow-up campaigns you can follow up with these people. That's what I'm trying to say. I hope these leads are important. All right, cool, guys. If you're interested in any other advice like this, if you guys are interested in the power for CRM, if you guys are interested in a couple of funnels, if you guys are interested in the 2-week challenge where we teach you exactly how to do how to do organic marketing similar to this. If you're interested in any of that, guys, check out the link down below. I have a couple of links down there. A couple, for example, we have some consulting I can help you out with. We can build you out a CRM. We have over 300 different landing page templates and over 60 different niches. So if you need that, we're gonna help you out. Help you out with your paid ads, guys. All right, we help you out with that, consulting, everything you need, guys. We got it. You know, boy, we got you. All right, guys. Enough of that. Enough of my little shameless plug. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one, and I'll meet you at the top. Right up there. That's the top. Peace out.